Well, I had an art teacher tell me that I had something I need to correct, and he's absolutely correct. I've seen it, and I just didn't want to accept it. But when you got somebody standing with all their weight on one leg and no weight on this leg, that drops the hip, and I got the hip going straight across. I don't know if I can fix it, and I'm going to try right now. I've got this flame over here, you can see on the right, far right, and I've got my knife being heated up by the flame so I can cut through the clay. I'm going to have to cut out the whole middle of her body and try to lower that side of her hip. And I may have to cut the knee out and make it bend a little more forward. But I'll have to wait and see how that works. I didn't really want to do this, but sometimes you just got to. All right, now so I got the hip going down and the shoulder going down on this side. All right. All right, I think you can see a little bit better how the upper shoulder goes at that angle and the hips now go at this angle. So I think I achieved it. And yeah, it's better to do it while it's in clay instead of waiting until I get into bronze. I got to lower her one cheek a little bit lower and to match the angle change. All right. Something that is a minor thing, but I lowered the opening, the upper opening of the chap on this side. I made it lower than this one because her hip does drop, and so that would drop the opening a little bit too. Also, her legs, this one was thicker than this leg, and this one was actually too thin, so I'm in the process of thickening that up. I have to wait for my clay to soften. I got down here today and the light had burned out that keeps my clay soft, and so there's a little delay there. I just put a border on this leather, heavy leather that's at the top of the shaft, and I'm going to do it on the other side now. I'm just putting a pattern inside the heavy leather. It has a couple of tacks on each end of this strap that connects the two halves of the shaft. I got to make a buckle to go on the shaft. If I take deep breaths, it's because I'm really stressed. This is not easy by any means. All right. Got to put a belt loop in. All right. That's going to have to do it for tonight. Wow. This has tired me out. I don't know why. It just did. It just totally wore me out. So I got this part done. I got the one side lowered. It's not greatly lowered, but it's lowered enough to give the idea of the weight being on this leg. And now it's a matter of starting to do the shirt, but I got to do the back part tomorrow. I got to continue the belt back here, get this all wrinkled in here, get that all, with the pants and the pockets and everything. It's going to be a pain in the wazoo. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, no. Tomorrow I go to the hospital. I got an appointment. I'll be here Monday. So I'll see you guys Monday. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.